Hello everyone. This is my vintage Japanese puzzle box. I got this off eBay for just a little bit. Not very much because it was actually broken when I got it. So I seen it, it's broken. It's like, I wonder if I can fix it. So someone, sometime, they've tried to jam some stuff in here. The camera focus on it. They pried on stuff. They pried up on the corners, trying to get it open. But it's actually really easy on how to open. So this is the front of it. Got this wonderful patina that where some of the artwork is flaked away. It has quite a large coin slot. So the sides have little windows. But to open it, you just hold it away from you. And you just push on it. So the top slides. So you can see how nice that is right along there. It almost doesn't look any different than any of the other spots on here. Same with this side. It's very well hidden. This was a very nice box. It wasn't new. So it slides all the way open. And this side slides in, but you see it would have been real nice. So what I've done, I took some epoxy. I taped all along the edge and put epoxy where the wooden was broken. And then I worked on sanding it and trying to shape it the best I could. So I'm not the master craftsman that the people that make these boxes are, by no means. This is my first attempt ever, but I think I did an okay job. I took something that was broken and gave it life again. And then the back of it has this little piece of wood that's on a hinge. It opens up and you can see the inside there. I haven't found any maker's mark anywhere that I can see. I would love to know how old it is, who made it, where it came from exactly in Japan. But for now, it's just a little piece of artwork that sits on my shelf. I think these puzzles are more art than anything else. That's why I love them. I hope you love them too.